As a project management expert, understanding the salary landscape of a company is crucial, whether you're a prospective employee or simply curious about industry standards. This video delves into the salary structure at Scoro, a company known for its work management software tailored for service businesses. We'll approach this from a practical standpoint, considering various roles, experience levels, and the broader industry context, particularly with a nod to the Nigerian market where project management skills are increasingly in demand. It's important to preface this by acknowledging that specific salary figures can fluctuate based on several factors, including the employee's location, their specific responsibilities, their level of experience, and the overall economic climate. While Scoro is a global company with its main offices in Europe, understanding general trends and comparisons can still provide valuable insights. Even for those in Nigeria, understanding the salary spectrum at Scoro. Based on available information, Scoro offers a range of salaries depending on the role. For instance, data from platforms like RepView and Salary.com provide some indicative figures, primarily for roles within their sales teams in regions like the United States and Europe. Sales roles. These appear to have a significant emphasis on performance-based pay. For example, sales managers are reported to have a base salary range of $107,500 to $132,500 per year, with on-target earnings, OTE, potentially reaching $210,000 to $270,000, and top performers even exceeding $290,000 annually. Similarly, account executive roles and sales development representatives also have base salaries with significant OTE components. Software development and engineering roles. While specific figures for all engineering roles at Scoro aren't as readily available publicly, general data for software engineers in the United States suggest an average annual salary of around $111,798. For a senior data engineer role at Scoro, the focus is on innovation within a 4-day work week environment. In Nigeria, the salary range for software engineers varies significantly with experience, from approximately 1,555,000 Nigerian naira for entry-level to upwards of 12 million Nigerian nairas for experienced professionals. Service delivery and customer success. Roles like Junior Service Delivery Manager have been advertised with gross monthly salaries ranging from €2,000 to €2,500, with potential bonuses based on performance metrics. Other roles, information on salaries for roles like product managers, legal counsel, and financial controllers also exists, often varying by location, e.g., remote roles in the USA or UK, and experience. It's crucial to understand the distinction between base salary and OTE. OTE often includes commissions, bonuses, and other performance-related incentives, meaning the actual take-home pay can vary significantly based on individual and company performance. The project management role at Scoro. A closer look. While specific salary data for project manager roles at Scoro isn't always explicitly detailed in the public snippets, we can infer potential compensation based on a few factors. Industry standards for project managers. Globally, project manager salaries vary widely based on location, industry, and experience. In the United States, the average annual salary is around $95,722. In Nigeria, project managers can earn between 2 million Nigerian nairas and 18 million Nigerian nairas annually, with IT project managers potentially earning in the higher range. Scoro's focus on work management. Given that Scoro's core business revolves around project and work management software, project management skills are likely highly valued within the organization. This could translate to competitive salaries for individuals in project-focused roles, whether they are directly titled project manager or have responsibilities that heavily involve project execution and delivery, e.g., in service delivery or customer success. The value of technical project management. In a software company like Scoro, project managers with a strong understanding of software development lifecycles, agile methodologies, and technical integrations would likely command higher salaries due to the specialized nature of their work. Therefore, while a precise salary figure for a project manager at Scoro in Nigeria is not available in the provided sources, we can estimate that it would likely be competitive within the Nigerian software industry. potentially falling within the 12 million Nigerian nairas to 18 million Nigerian nairas annual range for experienced professionals, as indicated for project managers in the broader Nigerian tech sector. Factors influencing salary at Scoro and generally. Several key factors typically influence salary levels at any company, including Scoro. Experience level. As with most professions, experience plays a significant role. Entry-level project managers or those with less experience will generally earn less than seasoned professionals with a proven track record of successfully managing complex projects. Skills and qualifications. Specific skills, certifications like PMP, Project Management Professional, and educational background can impact earning potential. In the tech industry, familiarity with specific software, methodologies, Agile, Scrum, Waterfall, and technical acumen are often highly valued. Role and responsibilities. The scope and complexity of the role are key determinants of salary. A project manager leading a large, cross-functional team with significant budget responsibilities will likely earn more than someone managing smaller, less complex projects. Location. The cost of living and average salary levels in the geographical location of the employee significantly influence compensation. For a global company like Scoro, salaries will vary between their offices in Estonia, Latvia, the UK, and the US, and would likely differ further for remote employees in other regions like Nigeria. Company size and financial health. While Scoro is described as a well-established company with a growing international presence, the overall financial performance and size of the organization can influence its ability to offer higher salaries and benefits. Industry demand. The demand for specific skills within the industry also plays a role. Project management skills, particularly in the tech sector, are generally in high demand globally, which can drive up salary levels.